today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Gmail, whether you're writing an important email, making sure key points stand out, or simply adding emphasis to your message. Knowing how to bold text can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step so that you can do this easily and effectively. First, the obvious but necessary step. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com into the address bar. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your phone or security device nearby, as you'll need it to complete the login process. Once you're logged into Gmail, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. And to start composing your email, look to the upper left side of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Compose. Clicking this will open a new email window on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. With the email window open, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Don't worry if this is just practice. You can send the email to yourself for testing purposes. Typing your own email address avoids any unnecessary confusion or surprises in someone else's inbox. Next, move on to the subject line and type in whatever subject is relevant to your message or practice email. The subject allows the recipient to understand the main topic of what you're about to discuss. Now, here's where we actually bold the text. Click into the main body of the email where you would normally write your message. Type the sentence or phrase you want to appear in bold. After you've done that, use your mouse to highlight the text you want to emphasize. As soon as the text is highlighted, turn your attention to the toolbar located directly above the email text area. Look for the bold B icon in the toolbar. This button is universal for bolding text across many applications and documents. Click the B icon, and just like that, the text you've selected will turn bold. You should be able to see the change immediately. This simple yet effective adjustment catches the reader's eye and highlights the points you need to stand out. It's a handy little trick to have in your toolbox whenever you're crafting an email that needs extra attention on certain key points. But here's an extra tip. You can combine bold with other formatting tools like italics, underline, or text color to emphasize multiple elements in your email. For example, bold the main idea, italicize supporting details, or use a subtle color to highlight important dates or action items. Using bold strategically can make your emails look more professional and readable, especially when sending updates to colleagues, clients, or managers. That's it. Just a few clicks and your email text gets the emphasis it deserves. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.